Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're all well. And just as I pressed record, that glorious sunshine disappeared behind a cloud. I hope it comes back, even momentarily. Oh, it's gone again. We had glorious sunshine a second ago, and I thought I'd better quickly do a video before the storms come back again, because we're mid-storm Gareth. And as you can see, I haven't fixed the tunnel cloche yet. The tank was full, so I've emptied that, and I just wanted to show you quickly that I have just yesterday put up the EnviroMesh along that side there. I did have to fold it double at the top. I could fold it to the top, but then the views of the garden would be obstructed. But hopefully double folded, it will be a bit more of a barrier against those carrot fly, because now I can fill these tubs ready for the carrots and keep them off the ground, double protected by the barrier, and then we should be started over there. But I just want to show you, this is another little character that has been whittled, and I've started the painting. I've started doing the shadowing on the paints. He's still got his hook to be painted, his cutlass is inside, got to be painted as well, his face is to be done, and he needs some gold buttons or something up there, or detailing, just to make it stand out a bit more, and then he'll be done. So hopefully by the end of tonight he'll be done. So there you go. Yeah, and he's got long hair at the back as well, and his little bandana. I like doing this one again. There you go. So that's what that's about there. The plants are still going, seeds are still going. It's absolutely freezing though, but I have been painting that character almost all day today, and I just needed to move my legs and get some movement going. Look, some seeds are sprouting there. I can't remember what they are, what I put in there. I'll see when they flower. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. I have been potting up stuff there, mixing soils. The hostas that I've been protecting with these big jars and cold drink bottle, look, they're growing and they're surviving. There's been no slugs to get to them because I've been keeping them covered, and I've just left them out here overnight. Indoors I have more seeds starting off, soaking and sprouting, so they'll be going into soil hopefully tomorrow. Oh, I've put my other peony in that tub, starting to come out already. What else? Oh, the mushroom. I've put them into pots here, and I'm hoping they survive being outside, because they just couldn't be on the windowsill indoors anymore. They're way too long. I mean, look at this. Right, it's as tall as I am, so they will need some stakes before long. And when the weather warms up a bit, oh sorry, I'm putting it up and down like a yo-yo here, so it's already as tall as I am. When the weather warms up, I'll put them against stakes, but when it warms up I'll put them against the trellis just there, when the weather's nice and warm again. Although they might not get enough sun behind there, because the butternut are going there, aren't they? Oh yeah, okay, I'll have to make another plan. Oh, just to get some light and air and to move my bones in between sitting for hours painting. That tub had blown around in the storms right the way over the bed onto that path, so I've tied it in now. It's going to get ready to have the potatoes put in there. Oh, and I cleaned up and tidied the, oh excuse me, got my shadow in the way there, the pond a little bit too much I think, but if you can see, I don't know if you can see, one of the swan mussels just there on some food feeding, because unfortunately I have cleaned the pond too much. I cleaned it too much because they need the algae and they need some muddy bottoms to hide in. So I will, there is a bubbler, an oxygenating pump that should arrive by tomorrow, and I shall get that in, then make sure they've got enough oxygen flow, and I shall make sure I get some soil in there to muddy up the water a bit for them to bury in and keep them safe. I hope they survive. So there you go, swan mussels in there. I don't have any fish to keep feeding them, that's why I've put a food block in there, and that they seem to like it, but it's not adequate, it's not ideal. I will get some, I'm in two minds about the fish in there, because that bottom one is meant to be for tadpoles anyway. So I might have to rig up some shelving and shelter in the top pond to shelter them in there and put fish in the top one, because I want the bottom one for the tadpoles, for frogs and stuff eventually. And we don't want fish in the same pond as the tadpoles, especially not such a small one. The tadpoles will just be fish food. Excuse me sniffing, I'm catching a bit of a cold in the cold. So yeah, I'm figuring that one out, and I'll take it one step at a time. But so far, spring is still promising. I'm getting little bits of jobs done in between all the other jobs, and I'm finding some satisfaction out of actually getting something done. The only next job I want to do is sort out that tunnel glass. Oh. Oh, I've been giving you a close-up for a while, but there you are. Short update. Oh look, sunshine's back. I'm just going to sit out here and warm my back in the sunshine for a bit, even though the rest of me is freezing. And look, honeysuckle is getting new growth on there as well. So it's almost time to get these carrot tubs filled, hanging baskets renewed for the season, but not quite yet. I'll wait till the end of March into April for that. Everything else will just... Oh, I've also got some of the snails for the pond as well to help control the algae, so there's just enough and not too much. There you go. So, oh, and welcome, before I forget, there are new subscribers. Welcome to you. I hope you enjoy visiting the channel. Do feel free, if you have your own channel, to subscribe, to like, and click the notification. As my grandson would say, he does it with so much more flair than I do. But there you go. He keeps reminding me I need to say that. So do have a lovely day, whatever's left of it. And look, the sunshine's disappeared already. Enjoy it wherever you are. Take care. Bye bye.